On average, survivors of rape wait 710 days to get to the end of their trial. But imagine waiting a decade.
The victims are not supported in any way. You're at risk until they're put in jail. You're at risk until you come to trial.
Bella, whose name we've changed, reported her former partner to police in 2014. He was charged 8 years later with a catalogue of offences, including rape, sexual assault and coercive control. The trial eventually went ahead last year.
It really affected my mental health. It cost me many jobs because I couldn't go to work when decisions were being made with the police. It affected me in ways where I just couldn't cope. They changed the police officers who I had trust in. It affected me in so many ways.
What would you say to someone who is listening to how long it took your case to finally be resolved?
Don't give up. It nearly broke me a few times. My parents, my friends said to me, it's going to kill you. But the impact it's having on you mentally, you need to not give up, because you will get justice.
The extent of that debilitating wait for justice in England and Wales has been exposed in new research by the Victims Commissioner. Almost half of those, like Bella, have had their Crown Court trial dates rescheduled at least once, with many only finding out it's been cancelled the morning of. The backlog in the Crown Courts stands at 73,105, but Sky News has recently revealed the number of outstanding cases is likely closer to 80,000. The Commissioner says for victims and survivors, it's unbearable.
They have been re-traumatised by the very system that they thought they would protect them. And to actually know the length of time it's actually taken to get a court trial, to have to turn to alcohol, to have to turn to drugs as a coping mechanism, says everything about a system that is failing. You know, some were also self-harming and also some were suicidal.
Bella's abuser was found guilty of actual bodily harm and coercive control. For years, her life was on hold, waiting for this outcome. Only now can she begin her recovery. But there are thousands of others still waiting. Ashna Haranag, Sky News.
And if you've been affected by that story, you can contact the Samaritans at any time. Their number is 116123, or you can email joe@samaritans.org.